Okay, so we received our bag yesterday and we're barely unpacking today. So when we did receive our bags, we have the K9 team Garrison's loan to inspect my bag. So when we did receive our bags, we have the K9 team Garrison's loan to inspect my bag. It up. So the first thing I have is my handy dandy GoPro, sweater jacket. I have my 54 extended pull from my GoPro, so I'm extended on there. There we go. Have my Triad grip for the GoPro for underwater, so when we do get to Castaway Key, we'll have that ready for underwater. My tripod ball head, and I think the main reason why they wanted to look through this bag is because I am carrying the new, what is this, SwitchPod? It's a selfie stick, or another type of, like a gorilla pod. This is the one that turns into a tripod, and then you can use it as a selfie stick. This is our newest thing that we bought for our cameras, for our mirrorless cameras. So that's probably the main reason why they looked into the bag, because it kind of looks dangerous. All right, down to the clothing here. So we packed them up. I actually packed them up where I have, and it's probably like not really organized much, but I got my shorts, my workout gear, some of my nicer Hawaiian shirts, and then I have my dress shirts in here. So dress shirts and workout, which I should have separated those, but I hope the other packets will get better than this. Okay, so this little pouch here, we're supposed to show shorts, shirts, and dress shirts, but as you can see on the other bag, I have dress shirts in there, so I'm like totally off. It's okay though. Alright, so I have rolled up my shirts, my tank tops, and all these are my shorts, my nice shorts that I want to wear around the cruise ship. Okay, so this one wasn't zipped up. They probably didn't zip it back up, so here's a bigger one, supposed to have the same thing. Okay, so I have my tank tops, Hawaiian shirts, a little bit of gym stuff, all of my socks back here, and then a few of my shirts back here. So close that up. And on to the next pouch. Okay, let's do this one right here. So this is supposed to be underwear and socks, which I didn't use it for underwear socks. So we have in here, more than likely, is my swim gear. Got my hat and swim trunks, 3 swim trunks. Okay, so we got some flip-flops, cool. Some dress shoes, nice dress shoes. Go. A pair of my white shoes, my white Nike shoes. So there you go. Okay, so now we have our flippers. So when we get to Castaway Key, we'll have that ready. We don't have to rent them. Save us what, $30? Yeah, about $30. Not too heavy either. And then finally, last but not least, we have the final pouch to open. And this is sweater, 2 nice casual pants, and 2 pairs of sweats. And that's it for the pouches in the main area, main compartment. Alright, so I brought a little fanny pack just in case. So I have something to have around my waist, like our toothbrushes and all that good stuff. And yeah, there it is. So I can just pack that up. Okay, so safety is everything to us, so we want to make sure that we have floating devices, so when we do the snorkeling, we are able to use it. A belt, beanie, and then little thing for our cell phones. Also, let's see if we can find something here. Okay, in the center here I have some insoles just in case for dress shoes, because you know a lot of dress shoes don't really feel comfortable, especially if you have plantar fasciitis or you have heel spurs. Make sure you bring these for your dress shoes, or just bring them in general for any of your shoes. Okay, so this is probably one of the most important things that I'm bringing is a knee brace. So if you guys watched our last Disney cruise, I was on the wheelchair, and without this thing's a lifesaver. I was able to wrap it up that way, kind of reduce the swelling a little bit, and so that I know that it's protected, so if something hits it just very lightly, at least it didn't really hurt my knee. So this was very important, and that's it.
Alright, let's go ahead and look at what's in my bag. I already took out my fish extender decorations. I did have them in the front pocket, but what I'm going to do now is just show you what's left. So, I have my workout clothes. I already took some out this morning to go walking. Alright, on my top bag I have my jammies and some more sport stuff. So I'm going to get all my jammies, take them out, so I'm going to pack those. Alright, here's my bag. Okay, so these cubes are amazing. We will leave the link below where we got them. We did buy them on Amazon and they're awesome. So first things first, I have this bag. Excuse me. And inside I have some shirts, some dresses, my crown. Isn't that gorgeous? I got it on Amazon, you guys. 20 bucks. If you love it like I do, I'll leave the link below so that you can buy it and wear it on your next Disney cruise or on your birthday. This thing is about to go on my head tonight. I might even put it on earlier. So just thought I'd show you that. Alright, I also have my curling irons in here, and that's pretty much what's in there. So I'm going to pull this out. My hat, I didn't want it to get messed up. I wanted it to keep its form. Or I stuffed it with my shirts. So I have some Disney shirts here, as you can see. And some more workout pants. And workout shirt. So that's what's inside of my hat. And look, it still kept its shape. So I'm so excited that I can still wear it and I didn't mess it up. Alright, bra, bathing suit cover up. Those were last minute packing things that I shoved in my bag. Okay, here's the next little cube that we have for shirts, pants, and other clothing. As you can see, I definitely packed my stuff the best that I could. I did the rolling technique, and that's basically all my shirts. Alright, in this bag, which I had already unzipped because I pulled some stuff out, I have some shoes, my regular sandals, my beach sandals, my white shoes. Look at these, you guys. These are my Alice in Wonderland shoes. My sister-in-law painted for me. If you want to check her out, she's at M Creative Ears. You can check her out on Instagram. So those are all my shoes. As my husband said earlier, we do have the masks saved in my luggage, and I'll show you what those look like. Yeah, these things are amazing. We tried them out in our pool, and you can go underneath the water and still breathe. It stops the water from going into the breathing nozzle, which is amazing because we are going to have such an amazing view when we are at Castaway Cay and and the other places that we're going to visit. Okay, I did pack a hat that I bought on Amazon. I'll leave the link below as well. Unfortunately, it was already smushed when I got it, so I have to figure out how I'm going to iron it to make it flat. But I really like baggies, so I shoved all my headbands in there just in case I decided to wear them after all. Some more dresses. In this bag, I have our water shoes, which we actually bought those last minute before we left, and we will show you exactly what those look like when we put them on. But these were $8, I think, on Amazon. We'll leave the link below. Hopefully that's how much they cost, but we'll give you the accurate amount when you click on that link. And then we have our snorkel fins. Also inside of here, we brought a hat, and we have sunblock, suntan stuff, and oh, most importantly, aloe vera. Alright, so that's what's inside of that little pouch. Last bag we have in here are all of my bottoms. As you can see, I rolled everything up, and that way it's easy to unpack and I can fit more things in there. In here we have a dry pack. Some shoes, easy slip-on shoes. These are wipes to clean the snorkeling gear. And last but not least, Ziploc bags. I've found these to be very valuable every single time I go travel. So make sure that you pick up some Ziploc bags for your next trip. That way you are ready. Now, if you're wondering where all of my undergarments are at, I did pack them on my carry-on because I felt like that was the most important thing for me to pack, and that would be the last thing that I would want to lose. So those all were on my carry-on, and this is what was in my check-in bag. So I hope this video was valuable for all of you. I think that's all we have for now. So we'll see you guys later. Bye.